Be strong.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Triple D TV. Right here on Triple D TV. Our first big storm of 2022. You got it right here, live and direct on Triple D TV. Morning, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, families and friends. This is what we are looking at right here in New York, Long Island. First snowstorm for 2022. Triple D getting ready to work. I got to clean off all these vehicles. Clean off this one so I could get to work. This is my job this morning, right here on Triple D TV. Check it out, my people. The first big snowstorm of 2022. The first week, we're in the first week of 2022. Big snowstorm right here on Triple D TV. This is my little street. Let me move this garbage man before the cloud up. Look it over, put it right there. See there? Big snowstorm, people. Like here, live and direct on Triple D TV. Check it out down the road. Isn't that beautiful? Check it out, my people. Live and direct on Triple D TV. So all my families and friends who are in New York, in the tri-state area, if you have to go out on the street today, remember, be very careful. If you have to drive, be very careful. And if you don't have to go today, stay in. As they say in Jamaica, tana your yard. So Triple D is going to clean some vehicle. So you guys take care and have a wonderful and blessed Friday. And remember, your attitude will determine your altitude. Take care of yourself and be good. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Triple D TV. And remember to hit the notification bell so when I upload any video, you're the first one get to see it. So if you have not subscribed yet, wait, man. Go over there. Go hit the bell, hit the subscribe button. Take care of yourself. Have a blessed day. I'm out. Triple D.